love delicious things. Today we're making a lovely curry salmon. It's very nice with my mango salsa. The mango salsa, the recipe I posted a while ago, but you can find any recipe in the description box below. It is absolutely delicious. It's quick to make. We're having curry, coconut oil, and all kind of good seasoning in it, and like I said, it's healthy and super delicious. If you like this recipe, give it a thumbs up, comment below, subscribe, and make sure you hit that bell to be notified for my next recipe. And let's get started. We're starting by cutting our red onion into fine little cubes and then adding them to a bowl. Squeezing our garlic clove into the onions, slicing our chili pepper into half and taking out all the seeds. Make sure you wash your hands because they really do burn in the eyes if you get it into the eyes. Also, we're chopping it really fine. Then we're taking our mango and cutting it lengthwise, and I just take a glass and just scoop it right in. It makes it so much easier to just cut it into cubes. Beautiful. Adding them to the onions as well and juicing our lime into the onions and mango. Adding the salt, our black pepper, olive oil, and give it a quick stir. It all well. Then we're just rolling our cilantro. It makes it so much easier to chop it, and just chop it really fine. Adding it to our mango salsa and just give it another quick stir and set aside. Now we're making our curry glaze. Add the curry powder, the coconut oil, the lemon pepper, the garlic powder, the paprika, and the salt, and give it a quick or good mix. We're taking our beautiful fresh salmon and glazing it with the curry paste. You will see it will harden up into a crust, and that's perfect because it will all melt into the salmon. We're heating our pan up to medium-high heat and adding the coconut oil. Let it all melt, and then we're adding our beautiful, lovely curry salmon. Do you see the crust? That's perfect. We're glazing it a little bit with the hot coconut oil so it all melts beautiful. After about 5 minutes, we're flipping it over so the other side gets a nice color as well. And let it cook for about another 3 minutes. Beautiful, looks amazing. Glazing it a little bit again right before we take it out. Leave it there for another minute, and then we're serving it with our lovely fresh mango salsa. It's absolutely beautiful, guys. It is healthy, it's super delicious, it's quickly made, and I promise you, you will enjoy every bite of this yummy curry salmon with mango salsa. Thanks for watching.